First job out of college, was able to start at Lilly as a chemist working in drug discovery. After a short year, was able to transition into more of the later stage manufacturing aspects of what Lilly does. All lab, science focused, really enjoyed it. It was personally challenged, thought I was growing, but I wanted to be exposed to how the business decisions are made. So I made a concerted decision to go after a business education, and that's what I was able to do with Ulndy, is still manage my personal career goals at Lilly, but also build my professional skill set in the evenings. So I'm a member of the board of directors at an organization called the Heritage Place of Indianapolis. I'm also the treasurer. The focus for the organization is a center that serves the Meridian, Kessler, even broader north central Indianapolis, low to middle income elderly population. I know University of Indianapolis has been able to provide some undergraduate interns for the Heritage Place, in which they've run strategic projects, operational projects for the office, which it's nice to see from being a board member that I'm a part of an organization that is offering internships to students that went to the same institution that I went to, and it's nice to see that connection.